Good afternoon, Mr. Heng. We are Group 5 from class dcsp 04, and today we will be presenting to you our material science project. I'm Le Ting.
I'm Wen-Si.
And I'm Carol.
So for our project, the three of us went to IKEA to look for some materials that we will be sharing about in our next few slides. So for our first product, it will be a saute pan from IKEA. So the handle of the saute pan will be presented by me, while the body of the saute pan will be presented by Wen-Si. So the first part will be the handle of the pan, which will be presented by me. The handle of the pan is made of phenolic plastic, which is heat resistant up to 350 degrees. It is used in the kitchen for cooking hot food, and due to its heat resistance, it prevents the user from touching the hot surface of the product. Hence, it is a poor conductor of heat, which makes it suitable as the handle of a pan. It is hard and stiff and non-flammable, which makes it a very suitable material. The structure of phenolic plastic is phenol, tannin, resorcinol, and formaldehyde combined together. It is chemical resistant and also heat resistant. As for the sustainability, it can be recycled. However, it is very costly to recycle due to their complex and mixed composition of different elements. However, it is energy saving and it decreases the amount of CO2 emissions that are produced. Hence, it is a good material.
And for the body of the saute pan, it is made of stainless steel, and its description is that it's durable and easy to clean. The use of the saute pan is to cook different types of food, but it's better suited for tasks that requires cooking ingredients in a liquid, like shallow frying or braising. Its property is that it is corrosion resistant, has high tensile strength, very durable, and temperature resistant. The corrosion resistance is due to the formation of the oxide layer known as chromium oxide, and the chromium content has to be more than 12% for it to remain stainless steel. Stainless steel has a high tensile strength as it is an alloy, and alloys are generally stronger due to their crystal structure, solid solution strengthening, grain refinement, and precipitation hardening. As for durability, one of the reasons is because it contains an average of 18% chromium, which hardens and increases its corrosion resistance. Stainless steel does not easily corrode, rust, or stain, and it is tough at both extremes of the temperature scale, therefore making it a good material for cooking wares such as this saute pan. So stainless steel is composed of iron, carbon, chromium, and 8% of nickel. Due to the high chromium and nickel content, stainless steel is highly corrosion resistant and non-magnetic. It also has a face-centered cubic crystal structure, where the metal ions and electrons are held together by metallic bonds. Stainless steel is 100% recyclable, and half of the stainless steel materials used have been sourced from scrap materials. It is also long-lasting, often spanning over several decades, so people won't have to often change to new ones. Lastly, the production of stainless steel does not generate toxin runoff, therefore it isn't harmful to people and the environment during manufacturing or use.
So our next product will be talking about umbrella from IKEA, and I'll be doing the fabric of the umbrella, which is made up of 100% recycled polyester. It's used for protection against rain and sunlight. Some of its properties are actually the fabric is lightweight, waterproof, and ductile such that it can withstand the rain. And it protects the user from the rain, and it's also easy to care and it's flexible at the same time. Next, I'll be talking about the structure and sustainability of the fabric. So the structure is actually polyester, which is polymers formed from an acid and alcohol together with water as a product. It has strong intermolecular forces, which results in high melting point as the polyester has large molecule sizes, and these molecules will actually intermingle, making it difficult to pull apart. So more energy is actually required to overcome these strong intermolecular forces, resulting in its high melting point. This also results in polyester fabrics being strong and it resists breakage as well. Next, I'll be talking about the sustainability of this fabric. So polyester can actually be recycled through a chemical recycling process where it actually breaks down polyester into its basic chemical component, which is then reassembled into polyester fiber. Polyester is not biodegradable as it is an oil-based plastic, so it will take a long time to decompose and also release significant carbon emissions during the production. Lastly, polyester is also low cost because of its chemistry, as a little over a third of its chemical compound is made out of an ingredient that is free and is also in plentiful supply, which is oxygen. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.